Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving y'all a sunset vibe because that's the type of vibes I was getting off of this eyeshadow. Let me know if y'all like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Jumping right into the tutorial, I'm going to go in with the color Fuse. And this is by Profusion Cosmetics. And I got this palette from Walmart, y'all. Do not be alarmed. It's a good palette and it's very affordable. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Melody, and I'm going to put that into my crease because I already put the color Fuse all over my lid to start off as my base color. So I'm just going to work that into my crease and blend it all out. Oh yeah, I had to put some shea butter on my lips because them things was dry. Listen, moisturize your lips when you're doing your makeup. It really helps when you go to put your lipstick on. But back into the tutorial, as I did on one eye, of course I'm going to do on the other and just repeating the same steps. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with the color Fearless, and I'm going to just put that on top of the other shadow that I put in, which was Melody, and I'm just going to drag the color Fearless out into the inner corners of my eye, and I'm just going to blend it out on both sides. Okay, next what I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut my crease with some concealer, and I'm using a flat concealer brush to do so. Okay, so now what I'm doing here is I'm going in with the color Melody, and I'm just going to clean up the ends of my crease where I blended out in the beginning. And now I'm going to take the color Serene, and I'm going to put it into my eyelid where I cut my crease at. And this yellow is a very pretty yellow. It took me like not a long time, but a nice amount of time to build that color up, and it's very beautiful. When you cut your crease and you add bright colors to it with the concealer, it helps out a lot. So basically here what you see is me packing the yellow, well, the color Serene on my lids, and I'm just showing you guys how I basically build the color up. Now I'm going to go in with the color Dial, and I'm just going to take a little brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to put that in my crease, well, my tear ducts. I'm going to put that in my tear ducts actually. I'm just going to blend that all out. Now I'm going to go in with my Nicka K liner. I couldn't find any other liner, so this is the only liner that was available to me. But I'm just going to start my wing liner, and yeah. Okay, now that I have my liner done on one side, boom, it's done on both. The lashes I'm using is from Luxe Lashes, and this is in the style 016. As you can see, they are nice, long, and they like flare out, and that's exactly how I like it. So make sure y'all follow the Luxe Lashes Instagram page. I will have it in my description box. And I'm going to use hair glue to apply my lashes. They don't harm my eyes, they don't hurt my eyes, and as long as I've been putting lashes on, they are doing no harm to me. So this is how the lashes look fully applied with the hair glue. You'll see no problem. Okay, now I'm going to step into this tutorial going in with the Angel Vibe primer from NYX. Even though this primer gives me a white cast after it's all rubbed into my skin and worked in, it does me justice because I do have oily skin, and this helps with my oily skin. So if you have oily skin and you're looking for a primer that's affordable and that's not going to give you any issues, which this doesn't give me any issues, invest in this. So now I'm going to take my orange concealer and I'm just going to put that on my dark spots on my face, and I'm just going to conceal that up. I'm going to take a spiffle brush, and I think that's from e.l.f., and I'm going to just blend that into my skin, and I'm going to just work it in. Alright guys, going into my favorite part, I'm going to take the Maybelline foundation and I'm going to mix that with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I am currently mixing foundations because it is the summertime and I am getting darker. I'm just evenly spreading my foundation on my face, and what I'm doing here with the brush is I am dabbing it and I am gliding it because I have to mix the foundations in order to get the right color for my skin. Going into my second favorite part of doing my makeup, I'm going to take my Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'm just going to take the concealer brush that I used earlier to cut my crease to evenly spread my concealer under my eyes, on my nose, on the upper part of my lip, my chin, and on the lower part of my cheeks. Okay, I got this thing that I like to do. I like to take my foundation brush or the sponge that I use, either or, to blend my foundation out with, and I like to blend my concealer out with it. I don't know why, it's just this thing that I do, and it helps me evenly spread my concealer so it's not too light or it's not too dark. I don't know why, but I have a habit of taking the brush that I use to do my foundation and blending my concealer out. I don't know why, but this really works for me. So yeah. Now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro, and this is in Chestnut, and I'm going to contour with that. Even though I thought it was going to be darker, it really wasn't. So here what I'm doing is I'm just blending out the contour that I did, which is on my cheekbones and my nose. Now I'm going to go in with the Chrome's highlighter from Maybelline, and I'm just going to put that on the high points of my cheek, and I'm just going to blend that in. But can we talk about how nosy I am? I keep looking out the window because my neighbors was arguing while I was recording, and I couldn't help but to just hear the commotion, and I just had to see the live action. Here I'm going to just take a little brush and I'm just going to put some highlighter on my tailbones, and that's just to brighten up the eyeshadow and give it a little bit of glitz. Going back into the palette, I'm going to take the color Tease, and it's a black, and I'm just going to take a straight Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use that eyeshadow and I'm going to put it on my bottom lash line, and that's going to give me the smoky effect that I was looking for. Sometimes using eyeliner, sometimes using eyeshadow is better than eyeliner. Working on the lips, I'm going to use a brown lip pencil, and I'm just going to line my lips up. Here I'm going to take the NYX Butter Gloss, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. My camera ended up dying, but these are the finishing touches. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and don't forget to go watch my previous videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you.